Read the precautions. Disconnect the power source and any attached devices. Remove the access panel. Remove the old front bezel. If there are any drives installed in the drive bays, press the Release tab and remove the appropriate blanks as needed. If there is an SD card reader installed, squeeze the Release tabs and remove the blank. Align the hooks on the bezel with the slots in the chassis, and rotate the bezel into place. Press the 3 raised dots at the top of the dust filter access cover to release the cover. Remove the dust filter access cover. Press the Release tabs securing the bottom and sides of the filter, and remove the filter. Position the filter under the tabs at the top of the filter access cover, and rotate it down. Press along the sides and bottom until the filter snaps into place. Insert the dust filter access cover into the slots at the bottom of the front bezel, and rotate it against the bezel. Press the 3 raised dots firmly until the cover snaps into place.